Okay, so just a quick overview of the Nikon KeyMission 170. I'll give you a couple of cons and a couple of pros around this. So first con is the actual battery life. I found the battery life of this is slightly low, but you know, when you're using the camera, the battery tend to stay on for a long time, so which is great. But when you're not using the camera, next time you switch on, I found that it was pretty much gone, or you know, even after a charge, if I didn't use it for a couple of days, I found that it was not switching on, the battery is dead. So I sort of worked out the reason behind this is that you have to switch the camera off from here. So you can go to the back menu and click to the off button and OK. So that would completely shut down the camera. Otherwise it'll be just idle, and I think it does exhaust the battery. So that's one thing to remember. And also another annoying thing I found with this is the recording button. So you got that red button to switch on, and to record you think you press that and it, you know, start recording. But what I found was when you stop and you know, you have to press it firmly on there, so to start recording, and you'll see a red light. So previously when I had the camera off, and when you press the record button, I thought that would automatically start recording when I first used this, but obviously that wasn't the case. So I didn't get much footages at the beginning of using this because I wasn't actually recording. But yeah, once you hit the record button, you'll see a red light, and at the front as well you see a red light for recording. So keep that in mind, and you need to pause recording to take a photo. So, and you use that second button to take the photo. Also another con I could find with this is the mounting options. So if you compare this with the GoPro, you got very limited mounting options compared to that. But again, it's minor, you know, but still it would be better if it had a bit more options around the mounting side. So speaking of pros, the build quality is excellent. So it's very solid in your hand, small, and the design is really nice. Also video quality is excellent. You know, I'll post some footages on this. The quality of the video comes out is very nice. It's very accurate. And also the angle, so you got 170 wide angle on it, which is I don't mind it. I mean, it gives you a little bit of a different look compared to other action cameras. And lastly, the image stabilizing on this is useful as well. So yeah, definitely things that is noticeable on this camera. Apart from that, this is a great camera. I think it might need a bit more work on with the battery life on it and a couple other things, and you know, put them aside. This has excellent video quality if you do video actions. Alright, thank you, that's all.